Okay, listen. This is something I've been wanting to talk about.
Oh yeah? What's that?
You know, in English, it can be really, really scary.
Totally. It's one of the biggest challenges. You learn all the words, but then you have to use them with a real person.
Exactly. So today, I really want to talk about how to do it, how to start, how to keep going, and how to end a conversation without, just running away.
I love this topic. It's so important. And we have lots of practical tips for this. And for anyone listening who wants more tips like these, subscribe for more tips to help you speak English with confidence.
Great. So let's start at the beginning. How do you even start?
The most important rule is keep it simple. Really, really simple.
Simple? What?
Like just hello or hi, how are you? It's classic for a reason. It works.
Right. Hello, I can do that. But what if you want to say more?
Good question. The next step is to talk about something you share, something that is happening right now around you.
What do you mean, share?
Well, for example, the weather. It's a classic conversation starter in English. You can just say, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Oh, the weather. Okay, that feels safe.
It is. It's totally safe. Or if you're, waiting for a bus, you could say to someone, the bus is late today. It's simple. It's about the situation you are both in.
So you're saying, I don't need a really interesting or clever opening line?
No, absolutely not. Simple is best. People aren't expecting you to be a movie star. Just be friendly. A simple hello or a comment about the weather is perfect.
Okay, so weather, waiting for a bus. What are some other simple things I could comment on?
You could comment on something they are wearing. For example, I like your shoes. People love compliments.
Oh, a compliment. That's a good one. It's friendly and positive.
Exactly. Or you could mention something you have in common. Like if you see someone wearing a t-shirt for a band you like, you can say, hey, I love that band.
That makes sense. It's like you're building a little bridge to the other person.
This is the most important tip, really. You need to ask open questions, not closed questions.
Open? Closed? What's the difference?
A closed question is one they can answer with just yes or no. For example, do you like sports? They can just say yes and the conversation, it stops.
Right, I do that all the time.
So an open question uses words like what, where, when, why, or how. So instead of do you like sports, you ask what sports do you like?
Oh, I see. So they have to give me more information.
Let's break that down a bit more because it's super important. Think about those WH words. For what, you can ask, what kind of music do you listen to? Or what did you do this weekend? See, it asks for a real answer, not just a yes or no.
And it just keeps going?
It keeps going. And another thing is to show you are listening. You can say things like, oh, really? That's cool. Or, interesting. It tells the other person you care about what they're saying.
So I should be a good listener too, not just a good talker.
You got it. Listening is half of the conversation. It really is.
This is all super helpful. But now, the end. I think this is maybe the most awkward part for me. How do you stop talking to someone politely?
Okay, let's try it. Let's do a little role play. You can practice on me. Ask me some open questions and use those active listening phrases.
Okay, can we try it? Like a role play? I want to practice being a good listener and asking those open questions.
Let's try it. Let's do a little role play. Imagine I just came back from a holiday. You ask me about it. Ready?
Okay, like what? Give me the magic words.
All right, here's a great one. Well, it was nice talking to you. It's friendly, it's polite, and it signals that the conversation is over.
It was nice talking to you.
Just like that. You can also give a simple reason. For example, anyway, I have to go now. Have a great day. The reason doesn't have to be, super specific. Just, I have to go is fine.
So, let me see if I have this right. I can say, well, I should get going. It was great to meet you.
Perfect. That is absolutely perfect. It's clear, it's warm, and everyone understands it. You say that, they say something like, you too, bye, and then you leave.
No long, awkward silences.
No long, awkward silence. A clean ending. It makes the whole conversation feel successful,
Yeah, it does. It's like landing a plane smoothly.
Exactly. A smooth landing.
Wow. Okay, so to recap, start simple with hello or the weather. Keep it going with open questions, the what and where questions, and show you're listening. And then end it with a polite phrase like, it was nice talking to you.
That's it. That's the whole formula. Start, keep, and end. And the most important thing is to practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
It feels so much more possible now. This was really great, Victor.
My pleasure. It's fun to talk about.
We post new episodes every week, so subscribe to practice with us.
Absolutely. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Bye for now.